How to start a speech. Welcome to trick number 3. Starting with a quote. In a person's life, 2 days are special. The day you were born and the day you find out why. Mark Twain. You can use one or more quotes in your presentation depending upon the content of the presentation. So nothing is impossible. The word itself says that I am possible. So that's a quote. The most successful people have one thing in common, and that is focus, by Bill Gates. I have had a lot of worries in my life, most of which never happened, by Mark Twain again. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever, by Mahatma Gandhi. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen, Winston Churchill. So yes, you can use these quotes, and there are many more, and then please don't forget to mention the owner and the author and the writer of the quote. Yeah. So stay tuned for the next video for tip number 4.